Hi guys, this is Danilo here. Tonight we're going to talk about the straight groove, the one that I'm going to use in music from Carmen. I Want It All, okay? After this tutorial, I will release this song on YouTube for you. Let's talk about the drums. I'm going to use the pyramid again, the same that I used in the Steve Wonder music. I'm going to show you just the drum sound now, and after that I'm going to show you the straight groove that I'm going to use. Okay, so let's hear it. So let's make the groove. I'm gonna play some measures, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, just ask. Okay, no problem. So, this is the groove that I'm going to use at the song. It's very consistent, okay, and you can use in any situation. I was a drum player at a church, and sometimes there was music with a lot of hits that all the musicians needed to play together, okay? But sometimes it is not the case. Sometimes the drummer must be straight, and this kind of situation will make the musicians of the band to be relaxed and confident to play their parts, okay? So if the drummer do the groove straight and consistent, all the band sounds great. There's no doubt about that, okay? Another example that I can tell you, it is if you play the straight groove with just the bass player, okay? Just let them play what they want. don't try to make some fills and try to play just like them. No, do the straight groove, and the best player will be free to do the best what he can. You know, I think that I'm very clear about that. You're gonna see this situation in the song I Want It All. Okay, you're gonna hear the guitar, you're gonna hear the singer, the best player. I believe that they used a drum machine, but after that you can compare the original song and the cover song, not to compete. This is not the case, okay? Just to feel how the straight groove can change the music, okay? And I am sure if you got a gig in a club, a gig in a church, or wherever you are, if you play some music with a straight groove, everyone will be happy. Everyone will be happy. Okay. So for tonight, this is the tutorial. Like I said, if you have any questions, just look for me on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, and I'm gonna answer you. Okay? So have a good night, everyone, and playtime. Okay? Bye.